Me attack it as joke and I laugh, but me just have to laugh off for the situation. Cause who know me a ratty? No say me a ratty come like sister. The rat and the cheese. And the woman switch by me say, 30 blood clot when him see me slide up in the ear. They never know this was coming. Me she put some penny cash up, alright? First we ever get somebody say penny cash up. Murder! Thank you very much. Come like make me laugh, you know, man. Tro. Bing bang in this blood clot, yeah. Bing bang. That's true. But me a girl little time, me nah about sorry yet. Oh, man for big up right to them a judgment, you know, man. Me go big up and everybody know me go big up, but me a so, oh, I sweat like a goat. I don't respond to nobody want to say. And the dirty woman know to, you know, say me go big up one day, you know. But that time do it all tabat. On the tabat behavior. See there? My name is Shizzy Blase. Look for Cheryl Williams. Look for Cheryl Williams. Pandy cash up that she's lol. Oh? Read. Who said to pin the cash up? You missed the comment. She's skin clean bad. Oh my god, who said cash up? I thought it was you, Michi, though. Pin cash up. How come this is I don't see nothing with the cash up pin and something. Anyway, that slide. Michi said she giving away 5 soap. Oh, seen. So that's 10 soap now. So guys, whoever purchased today, I talked to me nice product. It doesn't matter what product you purchase, you're going to get a free soap, all courtesy of one Michibu Sevo official and Miss Clarendon woman. Yeah, people, right? There's a 5 each, 10 soap I give away. Place your order. No, I'm gonna see it, man. Make sure it's that. Phone busy. When you look over the side to the right, that be a blue line. See, you know that? What? Oh, shit. Messages. So you could do, baby. Great when you have God with you, yeah? Okay. How much I pay for one small face cream? Where are you? Smile away. Give your face a rest. Need to place my order. What's up? What's up your number? What's your number? Alright, make sure you get that cash up there. Bingo with 3010 $ and pin. I have to pin back the business. No, mom, no, no website for nobody go up and that's why people have problems with me coming on here balling out for cream. Are you dumb? Are you mad dumb? I gotta do what I gotta do though. So basically I got a cash up notification. So I got $50. Somebody sent $100 to me. Oh. Okay. Dwayne Positive. I have to support you. Thanks, Dwayne. I mean, Michi, why you name yourself like this? Alright, thank you very much, Michi. Alright, guys. Whenever you purchase, and here how me I go do now. You see, when you purchase something, I go get a free soap. These are $10 soaps. I'm gonna have extra strong soap for $25. Sorry. Never remember to explain that to now. Tell the truth, Juju. I go Nice City. Me get too much beaten down there, so me the have to leave. I'm God never the want me for dead, so me the have to leave. Couldn't stay there, so you look so nice. I just want to make some money and leave negative. I just want you to make some money and leave negative people alone. Thank you very much, Beanie Peters. Facts though. I love the energy in the babes. I love it, Dan Mafia in a real life. I love it too. I love looking at people more. I like on the style. I would like the prices. I message you on WhatsApp and I text you on no response. Alright? She's my baby mother. Darren Wagwan, my baby father. Cheese, God loves you. I know, right? I love him too. And I respect him. I respect him and I'm also afraid of him. He's the only he's God alone I'm afraid of. Long time me watch you. You and Kenya, Jamaica. Yeah, the calm side of me is everything, you know. Proud of the person you're becoming. Jano, you come far. Facts. Love you from Katsuri days from Facebook. Oh, you gonna do that now, man? Love me that I know, Jesus. Why you do that? Who come in this now? Damn. Change your mood now, man.